Consider a uniformly charged ring of radius r and charge q. What will be the resultant electric field at a point P located on the axis of a ring at a distance x from the center of the ring? So here our intention is to find the field due to charged ring at a point along its axis, which is at a distance x. Now consider a small element on the ring, this element in the diagram. So let us say it subtends an angle d theta at the center of the ring. The charge on this differential element can be calculated by charge per unit length on the ring into length of the ring. So charge on this particular ring element is given by dq is equal to total charge on the ring if it is q, the circumference of the ring is 2 pi r. Length of the element that I considered is r into d theta. So that will make it q into d theta divided by 2 pi. Now the electric field at point P due to this small charge will be equal to dE is equal to k into dq divided by r square plus x square from the diagram using Pythagoras theorem. Now this field can be resolved into two components, one along the axis, one perpendicular to axis. So by symmetry, the components perpendicular to the axis get nullified. So the resultant field will be along the axis of the ring. So component of this field along axis will be dE axis, that is equal to dE cos alpha. So on integrating this between the limits theta is equal to from 0 to 2 pi. If we integrate this with theta is equal to 0 to 2 pi, we get E is equal to k q x divided by r square plus x square whole to the power 3 by 2. This is the expression for electric field at a point distant x from the center of the ring carrying a charge